Why is a car like this?
Like what?
Like half made.
Foot to the floor, Stace. Foot to the floor, Stace. Foot to the floor.
Oh, just drop the keys.
It was fine,
I don't
Stace.
care, Darren. Just take me back to my car now. I want to go.
It's filming now, so welcome back to the channel. My name's Darren Evans and this is 𝙁𝙗 Performance, and we're here today again with Stacey. So, hi Stace.
You alright?
We've commandeered you again. What's happening this time, Stace?
I haven't got a clue.
I think we're going out in this, aren't we? So we've got the little track focus Fiesta here, and Stacey's already asked exactly how this happens and how. Sorry, Stace. Just thought I'd, promote the merch. Watch out, Stace. Let them see the t-shirt. Yep. Okay. So there we go. Right. So Stace, please supervise him as usual. Stace, you're going to get in here. So, do you want to get in?
Why not?
Right,
just
I'm
drop the
ruining
keys.
this already.
Just drop the keys.
Where are you going, Stace?
Getting the
You know
keys.
you've got to reach the pedals, don't you?
Yeah, I've got.
Right, Stace, you feel comfortable? So what we're going to do today, are you going to go out and drive a car?
Yep. This car.
Are you looking forward to this, Stace?
Yeah, I am actually. I'm driving, so.
Do you like the noises though, Stace? No?
There we go.
You like your new t-shirt?
Love it.
Baby. Right.
Love it.
So,
I can't.
right. Oh, are you on? Are you in? Look at that. She's set up.
I'm on.
Right, so we're going to go out in this little Fiesta ST180. So this is 325 horsepower. What's the fastest thing you've ever ridden before? I mean, been in?
Don't think I have,
What, been in anything fast?
Well, I have, yeah, but
obviously, like driven.
I didn't want to.
You didn't want it?
No.
Why?
That's why.
Right, you see them three pedals there?
Yeah.
Do you know what each one does? Because
Yeah.
it's a track car, obviously. You need to work this out, don't you?
So they're different to my car.
Yeah, so,
What's this one?
well, that's a brake.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's this one?
Well, that's the accelerator.
And that one's to go.
Yeah.
Right. Well, that's
Okay.
going to be weird.
Do you want to start it up now with it not in gear?
How'd you start it up?
Well, you put you'd start it.
There's no key. How'd you do this? Come on.
Stacey, this can't be a 30-minute video.
What are you looking at there? What's
Look at
this?
the face, look, see, you put it against there, tap it 3 times against
Oh,
there.
on this?
Harder.
Harder, what?
Yeah, tap it 3 times. And say abracadabra.
Oh, fuck off!
Anyway.
Oh my
that
God.
up there that says power.
Oh, there?
Yeah, press that.
Oh, okay.
Stacey, there's one little minor problem about this, right? In as much as you can't even reach the pedals, I don't think that seat's in the right place. Anyway.
Now on the gear stick, if you put it into R for race mode.
Who?
R for race mode.
Ah, it's fucking reverse.
She's not as stupid as you, Brennan. Anyway, right, so, Stace.
Can we just go now?
Turn the car off again. Right, we need to set you up so that you can actually drive this car. So, Stace, you can't even reach the pedals, can you?
No.
Right, so.
Is that all the way forward as well?
Yeah, it doesn't go any more forward.
Try and, if I pull that in front of you. Yeah. No, that's as close as it'll go. Can you reach the clutch?
Which is that?
No,
That's to go. That's
Yeah.
Same as normal, mate.
Oh, Stace, come on.
So left arm up.
Why is a car like this?
Like what?
Like half made.
What do you think it's half made? It's a track car.
A track car?
Yeah.
Starting up now then.
Hang on. Wait there. Right, okay. Right.
Can you reach the clutch button now?
Yeah. If I... What are you doing there?
So basically, 2 towels.
Yeah.
Sorted.
Sorted, good to go.
Do you feel at home like you're back filming elsewhere with that boost up t-shirt?
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself to the camera?
Hello.
My name's...
Stacey.
And I'm fake taxi.
No, I'm not. I'm just Stacey. Thank you very much. Fucking
You happy?
hell.
You feel safe?
No,
Close the door.
I can't reach.
Why is your leg shaking?
Because I'm
Stacey?
scared. Oh my god, what a rattle. Can you even drive this on the road?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Right, fingers crossed we've got some audio anyway. Right, so you're out in the car.
Yep.
You know you're talking about the rattling noises, yeah?
Yeah.
No, you know, why didn't you turn the radio on?
Turn the radio up.
Yeah.
Where's the radio?
Oh, down there.
Where? There's no radio.
There.
It's been taken out.
Right, Stace. When did you pass your driving test?
12 years ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
So you got 12 years driving experience. So
I
this
have.
should be a doddle for you.
Oh my god. Is that first gear? Is it?
Yeah, don't listen to Lee and put it in race because that doesn't work. That's definitely not fair.
Oh,
Thanks.
what are we in here?
I don't know what you were in, but I'd say it was third because that's the closest next gear. So that's third. So yeah, that's first. It's been a while. It's been a minute since you were last in the car, Stace.
A minute?
Yeah, it's been a minute. Hasn't
It feels like it's going to blow up.
it? So, Stace, since everyone's missed you,
Yeah.
and they all asked for you, what have you been up to, Stace, in life?
Not a lot, really. Not a lot.
Have you done many other videos, you know, the other sort of video that you do?
Nope.
No? Have you given
No.
that, you kicked that to touch, have you?
Yeah.
Was it not paying well during COVID or something?
No.
Or did he just get to that age where they're not interested anymore?
Yeah, not interested anymore.
How old are you, Stace?
You should never ask a lady what her age
I know,
is.
I know, so we'll tell the viewers.
Okay, I'm 31.
You're single.
Yeah.
Yummy mummy.
Yummy mummy.
So if anyone wants to add her up, we'll definitely put the link in the description for her 𝙁𝙖𝙠𝙚 site, and you can go and add her up on there. We just got into that, haven't you? Switched over from the OnlyFans page straight onto the 𝙁𝙖𝙠𝙚, innit, Stace? Are you doing Snapchat Premium yet?
No.
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 You're not paying well enough. Put your foot down, Stace.
Okay.
Stace, can we choose a lower gear?
What?
Can we choose a lower gear?
Why?
Like,
What
because
do
we
you
need to
mean?
go somewhere. Can we put into third? Go into third. Third, not first. Right, now hammer it. Go, go, go!
Oh my god! In hell. I think that's enough now.
No. Right, what gear are we in now?
Fourth.
Put it in third. Foot to the floor, Stace.
I can't!
The floor, Stace. Foot to the floor. Right, okay.
That's enough, that's enough.
Right. So, what did you like about the Fiesta? Yeah, turn around this way so that you're not in the sun. Like,
it was all right. Yeah, it's a nice car. Now, from the outside, it's nice. From the inside, it's horrendous.
why?
Because it's not even completed.
Not even completed?
Yeah.
In what way?
Well, I have to put my own steering wheel on it.
Right.
Yeah.
But that's a snap-off steering wheel so that you don't...
I can't reach the pedals. I've had to put towels behind me.
Yeah, but you've got towels, right. Let's walk round it and have a general look at it.
Okay. It's a nice car.
Go on, what's your favourite features?
The black
The black.
and the red.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
The black and the red. You don't like the big brakes that made you stop before?
Oh yeah, definitely them. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And good job I got hands like this. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So you like the brakes?
Mhm.
What do you like about the interior, Stace?
Well, what is there to like about it?
Well, the roll cage that'd save your life if you crashed.
Well, yeah. The seats are all right as well. They're comfy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So your arse fitted in well to them.
They do, yeah.
Right. So if I said to you,
Yeah.
right, that we're going to go on a track day
Yeah.
and we're going to drive at track really fast, and yeah, like, would you do it?
Me driving it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd drive it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to go fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, your first experience of going fast in this car, have you enjoyed it?
I think so.
You don't know?
No. I'll tell you when I've stopped shaking.
Right. Okay. So we're going to go back out in it now.
Yeah.
And this was a really good idea of mine, to have an interlude where you decided whether this was a nice car or not. And basically, complete waste of time, because you didn't really say anything about the car, did you? You'd have no comment whatsoever, did you, Stace? Not really. I like the red. I like the red. It's a dead end, Stace.
Yeah, I know that, but you shouldn't be, like, going... Just don't even think about doing that, for God's sake!
On for the camera, don't drop it.
There's a van coming. Oh my God! No, that's enough! Stop! Oh, Barry, please stop! Stop now! Oh my God! Fucking hell! I swear to God, I'm never coming to see you again. What?
You hold on to the camera, for God's sake.
No, I know, Darren, because I can't look.
What's wrong?
I'm sweating now. There's a car coming.
I know. What's wrong?
You're horrible, you are. Horrible.
Why am I horrible? Look a minute.
Darren, I need it now! No! No! Darren, please don't! Darren! Fucking hell! No, I want to get out. I swear to God.
Oh dear. Why is your leg moving?
I'm literally going to cry in a minute. Darren, don't do that again.
Why? Stacey, we're not even in a fast car. Oh dear me. You like that, Stace?
No, I didn't.
What didn't you like about that, Stace?
I don't even want to speak to you right now.
You don't want to speak to me. It's no good for the video, that.
Look how short I'm taking.
See, it stayed on the road. It was fine,
I don't
Stace.
care, Darren. Just take me back to my car now. I want to go.
What? You can't be that annoyed.
Fucking can.
You're annoyed with me now?
Yeah, that was horrible. That was.
Why?
Honestly, no, it's horrible.
It was a bit roundabout. Stace. She's laughing.
I know this car now.
Right, so that's it. Did you enjoy that, Stace?
No, not at all.
Why?
Because I didn't.
You said you live going fast.
No, I didn't.
Oh no, sorry, that was a different context to a different video. But anyway, if you enjoyed this sort of content, then make sure you subscribe, because Stacey said that if we hit 15,000 subscribers by the end of this year, then she'll let everyone take her out, basically. So that's, if you want to see that sort of shit on this channel, then subscribe, hit that bell icon, and give Stacey a thumbs up. Did you sum it up, Stace? Did you really enjoy that? You did, didn't you? Really, secretly.
No, I did not.
Even through the crying.
No, the only part I enjoyed is when I was behind that wheel.
Right.
And you didn't tell me we were swapping.
Well, no, I did. I said before. Will you do it again?
No.
But you'll let Ben take you out on track?
Yeah.
Okay. So watch out for that video in the future. We're going to get Stacey out in the family car afterwards, the Focus ST, and she's going to go off now, pick up some young man from school. I don't know what that's all about, but anyway, we'll see you in a bit.